Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Main TV. And today we're gonna talk about Dorico's graphic slices, which is quite useful to create graphic scores or exporting or importing graphics in your score. So let's go. In order to access the slices, you have to go to your engrave mode, which is up here, or use Control-3 or Command-3 as shortcuts. And I'm gonna come here down. You see this graphic slices icon, the cutter. First of all, what we can do is that we can just press on create slice and see what happens. First thing that happens is that my arrow, now my cursor has changed to the pointer to plus now. And that means that I can select something and I can just click, hold, and let go. And there are these numerators, so it might be useful if you're making something really detail-y and you want it to really work in a very strict manner. But other than that, just let go of the drag and drop thingy. And after that, you see this box here. And you can also change it. If you want to change anything that you want with these boxes, just grab and hold. And if you grab the box itself, without the boxes, you can move the box. And now look at the left here. You have the name here, slice 3. And don't be confused here. It's slice 3 because for the tutorial, I made 2 slices before in the same project. And I just deleted them. So it just thinks that it still has 2 slices. But if you make it the first time, it's going to be slice 1. And there's this page here, which is page 1, which because this is happening in my first page of the score. And now on here you have a rename, so you can either double click. So if you have a lot of slices, you can just double click or just click on this button here to change the name, and you can delete it here or simply pressing backspace or delete. Oh yeah, never mind. It was backspace, up and delete. Okay, so yeah, now we have the export options here. Now look, you have the mono and you have the color. That is for situations where you have something colory in your score. You can choose color or mono. But then on the left now you have the your export information, your file type that you want to get it out. I recommend, for example, PNG or SVG if you want to put it back into your score. And now I'm going to click PNG, and there's an option transparent background. If you want the whites to be gone and you just want to put it somewhere else. For example, my YouTube tutorials, I will post some in the description below. They are all built with this feature of Dorico. And it's pretty useful, and the quality of the export is pretty amazing. So if you're exporting something, I suggest use this feature instead of getting screenshots from your scores. And because also you can change the resolution here, and if you change it to 600 or 1000, 1200, it's amazing. All right, now let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to press export. And I'm going to open the folder. This is the folder, by the way. And you can select it here. So mine is just a typical installation of the Dorico. And I'm just going to go back. All right. So this is the files here. And this is called slice 3, right? And now I'm going to open it. And as you can see, this is with the one that I told you with the transparent background here. And now I'm gonna put it back in the score and see what it looks like. Okay, let's see if I want to put it back in my score. I gotta go back to the frames. As you remember, I told you about the frames. Now I'm gonna make an image frame. I'm gonna make it here. Double clicky, slice 3, and as you can see, it's added here. Now, the fun thing is that the background is transparent, so you can actually mix it with whatever it is. There is no white in the back, so it wouldn't mess with your score if you want to move it somewhere for some reason, or you're making some, if it has a background, for example. This is quite handy. So you have, for example, a nature background there, you're making a workbook or something, or for kids, and you just put it there. You just export it and import it back here as a transparent background. And the other good thing with this slices tool is that, for example, if you change the score, let's see, I go to right and I change this G to, let's say, just something different, doesn't really matter. I go back to engrave mode and, well, naturally it's not changed. And I go to my slices and click on this slice here, and then I can export. Now it's going to say, hey, you already have this file, and I will say, I know, but overwrite it. And sadly, it doesn't refresh it. It would have been fun if there was a feature here, you know, to just refresh the source file, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to click here and click on slices, and as you can see, it's just there, super neat, super handy. It doesn't, if you, for example, if you have done it with the screenshots, as you know, now you had to resize it again or crop it again to make it exactly look what it is now. So I wouldn't go with that. This is the best way to do it. Anyways, that was it for this video. And from the next video, I will go more in depth to play mode. I really look forward to that because it's going to be fun. And if you haven't subscribed, by the way, please do. And please also don't forget to like and comment. And if you have any questions or any problems or anything, just leave it down in the comment section. Until next time, Homayun out.